Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain you in English grammar a very delicious topic, that is alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means arrange the order. You arrange the words in the alphabetical form. So then, dear student, I am going to explain you about alphabets, how to arrange the words in English. So then, let's start the chapter. As you know, alphabetical order comes in sequence because in English we have 26 letters in alphabet like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So now, beta, you understand about how many letters are there in alphabet? English alphabet, there are 26 letters. Fine. Complete A to Z are in alphabetical order. Now, in another language, you can see that alphabetical order is called ABC order. ABC order means A, what comes after A, B, what comes after B, C, what comes after D, C, D and so on. Okay. Now, take an example of the attendance register. Beta, every teacher got your attendance in the alphabetical form so that you want to find out the meaning of any word in the dictionary. So, we can take a big example of the dictionary, like if we have to find A, so then apple, so then we make find word A, and apple, then we have to find the letter A, P. Okay, apple. So that's we can got the find word apple in the dictionary. Same as attendance register. अगर आपकी टीचर को फाइंड करना है आपका नेम, तो वो क्या करेंगी? अटेंडेंस रजिस्टर में देन रिसर्च आउट देयर लेटर लाइक A, B, C and he or she will got your name easily. So that's these are the two important parts to make an alphabetical form. Here some object given for you like clouds, tree, flower, bird. Okay. So then we can make just a letter like C because C comes first, then T. Okay. And C, after C, tree because T comes after C. Next letter is F, that means flower. Okay, and bird. So then if can make a suggest first letter B because B comes first in the object, so then we can take bird. After this C, cloud. After this F, flower, and at last we can arrange T, that means tree. Now we can make a definite form. Okay, in definition you can say words are arranged in alphabetical order according to the first letter. Okay, जैसे कि मैंने अभी आपको बताया है, अगर फर्स्ट लेटर हमारा A होगा तो देन सेकेंड लेटर B. ओके, या फिर C और D और E और T, so on. Like suppose we can take so many examples. Apple, first A, then butterfly, then comes B, C, Have you find C here? No. So that we can make a skip of this letter of C. Then we go through with the next letter. D, donut. And F, fish. Now you can say, here are some letters which is given in the alphabetical form, like actor. Next is alligator. Actor. Next is alligator. Next, anthill, apple, cloud, clean, clown, club, canal, cane, canister, and canopy. Now you know how make the word in alphabetical form. Okay, and sometimes we can see both letter in the same manner. So that's we have to look after the first second letter in the words. Okay, इस तरह से हमारे alphabetical form तैयार हो जाती है. I hope बेटा you will practice at all the words in the alphabetical manner. Okay, now we will meet again with new video of new topic. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay safe, stay healthy at home.